Stay hydrated, friends.
Welcome to another episode of what Brad and Mark did today. This one's titled, Not Much.
Not too much today. We did a lot of
crap.
a little.
We forgot the car keys.
Yep.
See, this is what our days start with.
This is what we do.
What did we forget?
We should do an episode to actually show how smooth our days run.
There's no smoothness about our days.
Now, coming in hot here.
Let's get the car keys. How comfy are you right now?
Stay hydrated, friends. No, I'm not comfy at all.
You can't say stay hydrated.
Oh, I lost my cap.
You said it twice now.
Now I gotta drink it all. I'm saying it all day. Stay hydrated. I can't even. I'm done. I'm out.
This is what happens when you don't stay hydrated. You can't talk.
Stay hydrated, friends.
Alright, so we're gonna go try and pull the Dodge and the Jimmy out. You remember last week when we buried them? Then we're gonna fix the driveway because we had a crazy storm on the weekend and it wrecked everything.
I'm not fixing the driveway.
We're fixing everything. You're doing it by hand.
Nope, not gonna do anything. I'll drive the tractor to do it. That's for dang sure.
You couldn't even get this thing moving.
That's for dang sure.
Plow the fields. There's all the gravel off the driveway. Just washed right down to the river.
Yeah,
Hey, Brent,
down.
can you go pick that up?
I'll get the rocks. I'll get the big ones.
Okay.
I'll carry them up the hill. One at a time.
All from that driveway. She gone. Nice water there.
Don't spill my water.
Stay hydrated, folks. That's spoiler line.
What?
Anyways, you guys remember the other day, old Pete here and old Jimmy. Jimmy is officially two-wheel drive. As we were screwing around, the front end went out of it. This is all swamp back here. So there's a little rock wall. It's kind of helped a little bit. We're just gonna yank these things out of here. We'll do a quick rip in the Jimmy, then we gotta get out of here. We got a secret meeting, guys. Maybe we'll tell you about it on tomorrow's video. But for now, let's yank these things out. I thought you were just pulling it with your hands.
That's good there?
Yeah, that should do it.
That's good. That'll do it.
Let's give them a pull. Get that Dodge out of there. We need this tractor down here at all times. It is very handy. I'm gonna run over a pile of rocks here. Watch Brad hit the pile of rocks. He's doing well, doing well. Round two. We got the Jimmy. See, that's why we left the hitch on there. So we can pull it out later. Hey. Oh. Just pulling away, pulling the Jimmy away downtown. Get a backup camera on this thing. I don't trust this guy. All he wants to do is play loud music. Got the drone. Oh, just missed it. I think we got a flat tire on the rear, yeah. Two-wheel drive now. Right into the bag. Oh man. These Jimmys are awesome. I'm definitely gonna have to keep an eye out for more. He's a little slick. This thing is not well. Hopefully we'll still be able to jump it. hit the big puddle here. Just tearing up the yard. Oh, I forgot we had a Mazda down here. Alright, puddle time. Every time we hit this puddle, the drone frickin' gets covered. Oh man, it is slick. And it doesn't smell good. It smells like cow crap. Probably the manure off that field drains down, ends up down here. Round 2. That thing is dirty. I'm surprised that back tire is pumped up to beat yet. That's how we grim the track down here. What's the plan on doing? I think we're locking her up. We gotta get out of here. Well, that cab corner's damaged.
You know what? The brakes don't work that great.
I think she's coming in for the landing. What's it doing here? Oh no, it's following me now.
I just gotta straighten this out a bit. Yeah, there's no brakes out here.
No brakes?
Just hit it for the win.
Perfect.
Park there without hitting it twice.
Coming in for a landing. Catch it with your teeth, Brad. The teeth.
Woohoo!
Well, that was fun.
That was it.
How's the Jimmy?
Honestly, there's no right turn whatsoever.
Well, you're missing a lot of air in the right tire.
Well, that's why. That would explain why I couldn't turn right at all. So that was the
Thanks for grooming the track.
Look at that.
Yeah, look at that. That's some fresh dirt.
To those punks that came in and tried to groom it, learn from the master.
Learn from the master. Anyways, we got the Skydio. Got some great footage. Hope you guys enjoyed that. The bugs are getting crazy now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That thing is a nice little. Change that tire. It's a track truck.
I think I kept the tires off the other Jimmy.
Yeah.
I can't remember.
Swap one out. Is it both sides flat?
No, just the one side. But we're only 2-wheel drive now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I think we should just jump it. I mean, if
right
I
now.
could. Right now, it's too muddy.
Was it splash good?
It was a good splash.
Second one better than first?
Yes.
Yeah.
Better angles. Better angles. All right, let's get out of here.
Get out of here. Jay's
Head
coming.
to the house.
Jay's coming.
Oh, Jaybird.
Whiskey Jay.
Whiskey J.
I don't know.
Whiskey and you.
A little repair job here. The storms have been a little nutso lately.
Highway's beaten up.
Oh yeah.
You think it rains here?
Rain. It did rain, yeah. This laneway is deep.
vehicles we got going. Hey, Jay!
Hey, what's up?
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. So we got some secret plans we can't tell anyone.
Ooh, nobody knows yet.
No one knows yet. So
I don't even know yet.
we're just headed up northbound. That's all I can tell you. Do I have mud on my face? I need to shave my beard. I need a haircut, a beard cut. And apparently I had to change my clothes. We had to look good. We have a meeting. That's more I could.
Oh my god. There we go.
All right, we're gonna wrap this one up for now.
Let's
Hope you
roll.
enjoyed Brad's awesome driving.
What are you talking about?
The Yimmy.
The Yimmy. Oh, the Yimmy.
I'm gonna keep an eye out for more Yimmys.
I can't keep track of what we're doing.
Look at that great driveway job. My 8-second driveway job.
Put a speed bump in the middle.
Yeah, well, because you come ripping through there.
You know, it's not gonna stop me.
Miles an
Not gonna
hour.
slow down.
You need to come down full bore and jump this.
We leaving or staying?
Yeah, we're good.
All right, thank you guys for watching. Have a fantastic day. Get excited for tomorrow. Maybe we'll have good news. Maybe we won't. Maybe we'll have no news.
Maybe not.
Hopefully good news.
Hopefully good news.
All right, we'll see you guys later.